back to my channel, and this is Lohri and I'm very excited for it. So this is a look which I'll be carrying tomorrow on Lohri. So I thought to share it with you guys. If you like this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm first starting off by applying NYX Sculpt and Contour concealer onto my eyelid. So this will act as a base for my eyeshadows, and after that I'll be setting it with the powder, translucent powder. So all the product details will be in the description bar, so don't worry about that. Now I'll be using this sugar eyeshadow quad in the shade Applause, and I'll be using this chocolate brown shade all over my eyelid like this. So I'm using this flat brush by Vega to apply the eyeshadow, and I'm just gently tapping it all over my eyelid, beginning from the center of my eyelid and then moving towards the crease, and then blending it in the crease using the same flat brush because I really want to define my crease, so the flat brush really helps in that. Now I am using this slightly darker brown shade from my Makeup Revolution Salvation palette and applying it on top of my previous eyeshadow just to darken out the color a little bit because I find it too light on my eyes or my complexion, you can say. So doing the same, and then I am using this contour shade from the Sugar Face palette in the shade 0 to Vivid Victory, and using this shade to soften out the edges because I really don't want that harsh edges, and also tight lining my upper as well as lower water lines using this Maybelline New York Kajal. Kajal is a very important part of this Punjabi makeup look. So also using the dark brown shade to smudge out the kajal a bit onto my lower lash line. Now using this Lakme Line and Shine eyeliner in the shade Liquid Gold and creating a sort of a wing eyeliner, and then applying my mascara, and for that I am using this Sugar Mascara. After that I put on the falsies off camera. Now I am using the highlighting shade from my NYX Sculpt and Highlight stick and putting it under my eyelids in the V shape and dragging it little downwards because I really want to, get that highlighted under eye area look, and also it will help in making my face look a little bit longer. Blending it using the eyeshadow brush, or it's a kind of a concealer brush, so I'm blending it using this brush. And I'm now using this contour shade from the same NYX stick, and I'm putting it just beyond my cheekbones and blending it with this beauty sponge. This will really help in slimming down my face. Now I am using this Sugar Face Duo palette, the bronzer shade, and then setting out the contour and trying to just bronze up my face because it right now it looks very flat, and I don't know why in the camera the my foundation is looking very light. The lighting difference you can see right now, it's not looking that light, but when the light really strikes my face it looks too light. Okay, but trust me, it doesn't that light. And now I'm just taking the loose powder to bake my under eyes and the usual highlighting areas, also slightly contouring my nose. Now dusting off the excess of the loose powder from the face using this Vega powder brush, and now dragging down this bronzer or the contour shade down to my jawline just to slim down my face little more and to hide my double chin also. Now I'm using this ADS lip and cheek palette and using this blush shade, the name of the shade is Pie, and putting it just on the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm using this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer to just fill the gaps between my eyebrows and shaping it little bit. You must be thinking that there are lots of product by Sugar in this video, but trust me, this is not sponsored. It is all purchased by my own money. Using the highlighting shade from the same Contour the Force palette and putting it onto the usual areas like on like above my eyebrows, center of my forehead, onto my nose, and of course on top of the cheekbones. To set my makeup today, I'll be using this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, and this is the first time I'm using this, and I quite like the finish that it gives to my whole makeup. And by the time it is drying, I'll take off my lip balm and apply the liquid lipstick. Which I'm using today is by NYX. It's a matte soft lip cream in the shade Monte Carlo. It's a very nice deep magenta kind of shade, and if you apply like 2 coats of this lip color, then it will give you a sort of red finish with lot of pink undertones, but it is definitely not a red color. I can see in the camera it is looking red, but it is not. And this is my final makeup, and I also put on these earrings and did a side braid just like Punjabis, put on the bangles, and this is my outfit, a typical Punjabi outfit. So I really like this outfit and love this makeup. I'm very excited to wear this tomorrow for the function, and I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and if you really did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.